Hi, this is Maverick, and thanks for watching Millennials Business News. Well, the stock market this past week survived a very volatile first quarter as consumers saved more and they spent less. Economic growth is roughly about 0.2% in gross domestic product in the first quarter, and likely to grow at just under 2% for 2016. You can expect the Federal Reserve Board to raise interest rates sometime around November or December, because after all, it is an election year, and the Fed is still being very cautious, given the economic headwinds worldwide. China, the world's second largest economy, could be in more trouble than we thought, based on a recent collapse in its rail freight volume. Transportation of goods shipped internally throughout China and also exported has always been a really strong indicator of how the economy is doing. But right now, the rail freight volume is on track to be the lowest since 2007. Meanwhile, the Communist Party government there continues to experiment with this hybrid model, somewhere between communism and capitalism, and embellish, to be very diplomatically correct, their economic data, leaving the rest of the world to try to figure out, what's fact and what's fiction. Google just launched its new robot that is very human-like in terms of its activities. It can carry up to 132 pounds across uneven terrains and stairs. It's unlike any other robot that Google's developed to date because it's very low in cost and has low power requirements. Looks like the secret to unlocking Apple's iPhone is going to continue to be just that, secret. I'd suggested earlier that the unlocking of the iPhone was probably done by the National Security Agency, the NSA, to help out the Department of Justice. So it turns out that's not true. It was actually a third party, and I suspect it was a foreign company, probably the Israelis, because they have excellent software engineers. Well, Facebook had its big F8 developer conference this past week, and they announced their chatbots for customer service as well as business transactions. The chatbots will probably employ some form of artificial intelligence. But as it turns out, users today aren't sharing as much on Facebook as they used to, photos and other things, documents, etc. And that's what made Facebook popular in the first place. It's what Facebook insiders refer to as context collapse. Amazon just released new software developer tools as Candy for its Echo platform to help expand Echo into the home automation services arena, so you can do more things like ordering pizza. Netflix just announced it's going to raise its price to $9.99 per month for new customers. Old customers will be grandfathered in at the existing price of only $7.99 per month. Well, Disney is having some problems right now. As it turns out, its channel and network ESPN is losing viewers. Some analysts recommend that Disney should buy Netflix, which would give it the best video bundle in the marketplace across all devices. Snapchat has now got 100 million active users and 700 million snaps daily, to edge out Instagram as the messaging application of choice. Snapchat viewers, mostly teens, said they use it. 28% of teens said they use Snapchat. 27% said they use Instagram. Well, Twitter continues its gradual decline in users, and Facebook remains the de facto social media platform of choice for the older generations. The Uber CEO says they're now profitable. Worldwide, they make about $1 billion a year in profit across 30 cities. However, they continue to lose roughly $1 billion per year in China to gain market share. The CEO says that is a sustainable loss. Wow. In the United States, their profit is about 19 cents per ride. GoPro just announced a very key acquisition, a key hire. They poached one of the top Apple industrial design team members away from Apple to help them with their new product line for the future. Their newest version of the Hero 4 camera, as well as the impending launch of their Karma drone, and some new virtual reality equipment. So, you in the market for a new mattress? Hey, check out Purple. Interesting company. They've developed a high-tech cushion that also has spinal cord alignment at a very affordable price because they're doing a direct-to-consumer business model online, and they basically cut out the middleman and a lot of those associated costs and markups. So give them a shot. They also offer something pretty rare. It's a 100-day or night, in this case, money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. So check them out, Purple. And just one personal note. Last week I had the privilege of going to the Masters golf tournament with my two boys. Wow, what a religious experience that was. And with all due respect to Danny Willett, who won the Masters, kudos to him, just a sterling final round, 67. Your heart has to go out to Jordan Spieth if you're a true golfer. Hopefully what happened to him will be something he'll learn from and grow for the future. He has a really bright future, and he's an awesome role model for not just his generation, but for others as well. That about wraps it up for today. Hey, thanks for watching us. You have a great weekend, and may God bless.